having a problem with my heater. I came back, turned the fan on, and that's what it's doing. So that's on, this is off, this is auto. Auto, off, and on. So I think the fan is bad.
It'll go to pilot. Pilot won't light. It won't turn on. Knob's broke. As far as it'll go right there. Off the pilot, and it won't work. And the knob is broken. Thank you.
The damage on this thing is ridiculous, and I am not sending it back. Somebody needs to do something for it. The front grate's all bent. It's all creased down here on the side. You can see it's folded over. And I need heat, so someone needs to do something.